Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, and again it involves Etiosa Ighodaro. I don't know about you, but I am tired about all this Ighodaro story. He's coming, he's not coming. We are going to talk about that. We also have some news on Zenan Zajmovic, who has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs in the past few days. We are also going to talk about Aphiwe Baliti, who has resurfaced at Siwelele FC. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. So let's start with Etiosa Ighodaro. So in the past few days, there was a trending video of Ighodaro's presentation at Kaizer Chiefs, and it looked real. I was so convinced that this is a done deal, but then his agent and Sokhala Duma are saying the video is faked, it's photoshopped, and it makes sense, because as I've said, I was convinced about the video. I don't see any Photoshop in that video, but modern technology, AI is possible. But then, where is the official announcement from Kaizer Chiefs? And how did the video even leak at first? So I am starting to believe that that video is photoshopped. And the situation with Ighodaro is he still has 1 year remaining on his contract with Mamelodi Sundowns, and we know Sundowns are a very difficult team when it comes to selling. They don't want to sell. So that's the stumbling block on this deal. This is a quote from Sokhala Duma. At the moment, Chiefs are waiting on Sundowns. Ighodaro has 1 year remaining on his contract with Sundowns, and only if they release him first as a free agent, or if they can buy him for the remaining months on his contract. But Chiefs are interested in him, and depending on Sundowns' decision, is then Chiefs would still sign him before the start of the season. So this basically means all of this move is dependent on Sundowns. If Sundowns decides against keeping Ighodaro, then Kaizer Chiefs will sign Ighodaro. But if Sundowns decide to keep him, it means Kaizer Chiefs won't sign Ighodaro. But I just want to see the end of this story. As I've said before, I don't want Etiosa Ighodaro at Kaizer Chiefs. So now let's move to Zenan Zajmovic, who has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs. He recently parted ways with Chiefs Galaxy due to, I think, his visa, work permits and stuff. He played 28 games at Chiefs Galaxy, scoring 11 goals and laying 2 assists. He was one of the best strikers last season. So it will make sense if we go for this guy. As written on my thumbnail, catch him. I think this is the guy we should be looking at. Even before he parted ways with Chiefs Galaxy, even before he became a free agent, this is the striker we should be looking at. Ephraim Reynas is the only number 9 who scored more goals than Zajmovic last season. So he has an eye for goals. He's very good on his feet, and his experience, 30 years of age, Betway proven. I think 30 years is the right age. I've always emphasized the fact that we need experienced players, more especially up front, because I don't expect Hlongwane to go to Pule Modi or Lilepo and tell them, pass me the ball, you fucking idiot. We need someone who's going to demand the ball. And I think Zajmovic, with his experience and this age, he is that player. So Zajmovic is our go-to guy. I think Zajmovic should come to Kaizer Chiefs and walks into our starting 11. So Kaizer Chiefs should get this deal done. I don't know how we may fail to get this deal done. He's a free agent, mate, and he would love to return to the Betway Premiership. We need a striker. I'm not convinced about Flavio Silva yet. We still have Duba, and as I've said about Hlongwane, I think he's still young, so we need an experienced striker, and Zajmovic is that guy. And what about Aphiwe Baliti? So last month, according to multiple reports, Aphiwe Baliti to Kaizer Chiefs was he was poised to join Kaizer Chiefs. It was not a done deal, but apparently Kaizer Chiefs and SuperSport United were in advanced talks. But now in the last few weeks we've been getting no update in terms of this deal, and now Aphiwe Baliti has returned to SuperSport United, known now as Siwelele United. So it means his move to Kaizer Chiefs is definitely off. I think on this one, Kaizer Chiefs pulled the plug and went for Nkanyiso Shinga and Paseka Mako, of which I don't think it was a wise idea. More especially Paseka Mako. I don't think we should have signed Paseka Mako over Aphiwe Baliti. But I hope I will be proven wrong. So get your comments in. Tell me what you think about Ighodaro, Zenan Zatmovic, and Aphiwe Baliti. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm out.